Hello,
Hello,
Moon.
teacher.
Good evening. How are you? Wow, your headband is very beautiful, like you. I like your headband. It's so pretty. Wow. Yes. Okay,
Thank
let's start
you.
the lesson. You're welcome. Okay, this is our new book. Okay, let's learn how to read. Are you excited to read?
I
Okay.
don't hearing you.
What?
I don't hearing you.
You can't hear me? Can you hear me?
Very small.
Oh, very small? Why? How about now? Can you hear me? Is the volume is your volume at a maximum level already?
Very small.
Oh, very small. Why? Okay, let me put you on hold first. Okay, what about now? Can you hear me clearly? Is it okay now?
I can hear you.
Okay. This one is better?
I can hear you. But
Uh,
not loud.
not loud?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Hmm. What about now? Can you hear me?
The sound is normal.
Okay, is this good now? Can we start our lesson now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, in here, this is the alphabet again. And this is the sound. Let's review the sounds of the alphabet. It's
Ah.
a,
Ah.
a, b,
Ah. K.
k,
K.
d,
K. D.
e,
E. E. F.
f, f.
F. F. F.
Very good. G,
G.
h,
K.
h,
K.
h,
K. K.
e,
E.
j,
J.
k,
K. K.
l,
L.
um,
Um.
n,
N.
o,
O.
p,
O.
q,
Q.
r,
R.
s, t,
T.
a,
E. E.
v,
V.
w,
W.
s, y,
Y.
z.
Z.
Okay. Now, what is the object in the picture? Can you tell me what is this? Moon?
Apple.
Apple. Okay. Listen very carefully to teacher. Apple. Apple. What letter is that? What letter is that?
Apple. Apple.
Okay. What letter is that? It's a
Apple.
apple. Very good. That is letter A. Apple.
Apple.
Very good. Apple. Okay, next one. What
Apple.
is this? This is
Egg.
this is an egg. Okay, listen very carefully to teacher again. Egg. Egg.
Egg.
Okay, what is the first letter? It's E. E.
Egg.
What letter have the sound E? It's letter
E.
E. Very good. Good job. Okay, next one. This is an igloo.
Igloo.
Okay, listen very carefully. Igloo. Igloo.
Igloo.
Okay, what is the first letter? What do you think? It's
Igloo.
E.
E.
Okay, the sound of I is E. E.
E.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Okay, very good. What fruit is this?
Orange.
It's an orange. Okay, orange. Orange.
Orange.
Okay, what is the first letter? O. O. What letter is that?
O.
O. Oh. Very good. Okay, what about in here? What's this?
Umbrella.
It's an umbrella. Very good. Okay. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Very good. What do you think is that letter?
Umbrella.
Okay, yes, very good. The letter or the sound is letter U.
U.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Okay, what about this animal? Do you know what is this?
Ant.
It's an ant. Okay,
It's
ant.
ant.
Ant. Okay, what is the first letter? Is it A or U? Ant. A. Very good. Good job. Okay, let's read again the objects. Apple.
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 Egg.
Egg.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Orange.
Orange.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Ant.
Ant.
Okay, very good. Okay, what is this object? Moon, do you know what's this?
A backpack.
A backpack. Very good. Or it's a bag. Okay, listen very carefully to teacher. Bag. What letter is or what letter does an alphabet sound B? What letter is that? It's letter B. Bag.
Bag.
Very good. Okay, what about this one? This is where you sleep. What's this? What's this? This is where we sleep. This is
A pen.
it's a
bed.
bed. Very good. Okay, listen very carefully again. Bed.
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 Okay, what letter is that? B, B.
B. B.
It's letter B again.
B.
Bed.
Bed.
Okay, what about this animal? What's this?
A pig.
A pig. Very good. Pig. Pig.
Pig. Pig. P.
Okay, what letter is that? Okay. Huh. Huh. What letter is that, Moon?
P.
P. Very good. Okay, what about this animal? What's this?
Dog. A dog.
Dog. Okay. Can you please pronounce the first letter of dog? Dog. D. D.
D. D.
Okay, what letter is that? It's letter
D.
D. Very good, Moon. Okay, what about this one? What's this?
A fan.
This is a fan.
A
Fan.
fan.
F.
Fan.
F.
F. F.
Okay, what
Fan.
letter is that? It's
F.
letter F. It's letter.
F.
What letter is this?
F.
F. Very good. Okay, next animal.
A cat.
A cat. Okay. K, k, cat.
K. K. Cat.
Very good. What letter is that? C or K? K, k. Is it letter C or letter K? It's letter. What letter is this, Moon?
Letter C.
Letter C for K. K. Okay, next one. What's this?
Cat.
Very good. Okay, next one.
Cat.
A hat. Okay, let's pronounce the first letter of the word hat. Ha, ha.
H. H.
Okay, what letter is that? It's letter. What's this? What letter is this? Letter H.
H.
Very good. Okay, next one. This is a. This is a pen.
A pen.
Very good. P, p,
P.
pen.
P. P. Pen.
Okay, what letter does the P sounds like? It's letter
B.
B.
Letter
Very
B.
good. Good job. Okay, last one. Last one. This is what a spider makes. What's this? This is a. This is
No.
a web. Web.
A web. A web.
Okay, the first letter is, the sound is W. W.
W. W.
Okay, what letter does a W starts? It's letter W. What's this?
Letter W.
Letter W. Okay, can you please say the sound of letter W? W. W.
W. W.
Very good. Okay, let's read the words again. What's this?
A backpack.
B. Bag.
B. Bag.
B. Bed.
B. Bat.
Pig.
Pig.
Dog.
Dog.
Fan.
Fan.
Cat.
Cat.
Hat.
Hat.
Pen.
Bang.
Web.
Web.
Very good. Teacher will give you
5 star.
5 stars. Okay, you count with teacher. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
very good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, another one. Before we continue with the sight words. Okay, fill in the missing letters at the middle sound. Okay, what's this?
Sun.
Sun. Very good. Okay, we're going to fill in if it is a, e, I, o, u.
O. U.
Okay. A, e, I,
O.
o,
I. O.
u.
U.
Okay. This one is a sun.
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 Okay, what do
Sun.
you think? Is it a, I, o, u? It, u. Sun. Sun. Isn't it
U.
your brother's name is Sun?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What about in here? This is a log. Log.
La.
Log.
La.
Log.
La.
Okay, the letter here is letter O. Log.
O. Lo.
Okay. The third one is a map. Map.
Map.
Map. Ma,
Map.
a, p.
La. A. P.
No, this is map.
La.
Okay. The fourth one is a net. Net. Na,
Fan. W.
na, a, t. Na, e, t. Net. Na, e,
Na.
t.
E.
Net.
T. Fan.
Net.
La.
Okay, the next one is what's this?
A bus.
A bus. Bus. That's
Bus.
letter U.
Bus.
Okay,
U.
next one is what's this?
Jelly.
Yes, it's a jelly or a jam.
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 J a jam.
Jam.
Okay, next one is a pin.
A pig.
A p i n.
P.
P
I. N.
i n pin.
A pig.
Okay, next one
A car.
v a n.
V. A. N.
V a n.
V. A. N.
Very good. It's a van. Next one is t a n.
T.
Tan.
F.
T a n.
T. A. N.
Tan. Wow.
Cat.
Very good. Okay, teacher will give you
3 star.
3 stars. Can you count with teacher? 1.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Okay. Okay, these are the sight words. We're going to meet this one when you are already done with the reading. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, what letter is this? This is
B.
B. Very good. And this one is what letter
A.
is this one? Ah, very good. If this sound is B, B,
B.
A,
B.
ba,
B. A. Ba.
ba. Very good. Let's read this one. Ba.
B. A. Ba.
Okay. No, no, no. Ba.
B.
Very good. Ba. This one is the
B.
A.
A.
Da.
Da.
Very good. What is this again? This is
Ba.
ba. Very good. Good job. Okay, next one. This one is
Da.
da. Very good again, Moon. Okay, next one. What letter is this? This is letter F. What is the sound of F
F.
again? It's F
B.
plus
B.
A is fa.
Da.
Fa. Okay. This one is G, A,
G. A. Da.
ga. Very good. Well, how do you say this one again? Fa,
Da.
ga.
Da.
Okay, next. This one again. What's this?
Da.
Ba. You can do that. Da.
Da. Da.
Fa,
Fa.
ga.
Da.
Ha,
Ha.
ja.
Da.
Ha,
Ha.
la.
La.
Ma,
Ma.
na.
Na.
Very good. Okay, let's read it again. Ba,
Ba.
da,
Da.
fa,
Fa.
ga,
La.
ha,
Ha.
ja,
Ja.
ka,
Ka.
la,
La.
ma,
Ma.
na.
Ta.
Na.
Na.
Okay, let's read this one again. What's
Ba.
this? Very
Ba.
good. Good job. Ba.
Ba.
Da. Very good.
Ba.
Ba.
Ya.
Wow, very good, Moon. Next one.
Ha.
Ha. Very good. You can do that. This is ja.
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 Okay.
Ha.
Very good, Moon.
Ya.
Next. Very
Ya.
good.
Ma.
Ma. Very good. And
Na.
na. Good job. One more time. This one, what's this?
Na.
Ja. Ja.
Ja.
Okay. This one. See the pink one.
Ha. Ha.
This one. Ha. Very good. Teacher will give you
5 star.
5 stars. Count with teacher. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Okay. In here, we're going to put letter letter E. Letter E, the sound of letter E is, what is the sound of letter E?
F.
Very good. Okay, now we are going to add letter B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, E with letter E. Okay, if this is ba, this is
Ba.
be.
Be.
Ba, be,
Ba. Be.
de, de,
De.
fe,
Ra.
ge,
Ge.
he,
Ha.
che,
De.
ke,
Ke.
le,
Le.
me,
Me.
ne,
Ke.
ne,
Ke.
ne, ne.
Ne.
Very good. Okay, let's read that one again. Be,
Be.
de,
De.
fe,
De.
ge,
De.
he,
Ha.
je,
Ye.
ke,
Ha.
le,
Le.
me,
Ne.
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 Very good. It's your turn, Moon. What's this? You can do that. This is be.
Be. Be.
Very good. De.
Be.
Okay, next one.
He.
Fe.
He.
Good job.
Ye.
Yeah, very good.
Ha.
He.
He. E.
Je.
Ke.
Okay, next.
Ke.
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 Okay, next. Le.
Le. Me.
Me. Very good.
Ne.
Ne. Good job. Thank you so much for participating tonight, Moon. We're going to continue this one on Sunday, okay? Okay. Goodbye, Moon.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again. You're so pretty.
What?
You're so pretty.
You're so pretty too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.